Hi guys, today's video is going to be a smudgy charcoal wing liner with a red-orange lip. And to kick off, I'm going to moisturize and prime my skin with the Good Molecule Silicone-Free Priming Moisturiser, which has been formulated to deeply hydrate, soothe and nourish the skin. For eye cream, I'm going to be using this eye cream from Drunk Elephant to hydrate underneath my eyes and prep them for concealer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I use the shade Y445. I love using this foundation for special events where you may be photographed quite a bit, as it photos absolutely beautifully. Also, it has a medium to full coverage and is definitely buildable. To conceal my dark circles, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty The Overachiever Concealer in the shade Peanut Butter. This concealer has a strong golden undertone which helps correct and conceal my dark circles without layering multiple products. For a cream contour, I will go in and stipple some of the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Truffle. Before moving on to cream blush, I will use the same brush and stipple on the Nudestix Nudies matte in the shade Sunkissed. I love using the same brush used for foundation. It's a technique I picked up from Hindash and it helps everything melt in together so beautifully. Then for a cream highlighter, I will use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Rum on the same brush and stipple it onto the high points of my face. Now that we've completed using cream products, I will strategically powder with the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder to set down my concealer and keep my oily T-zone at bay throughout the day. For a powder contour, I am going to use the Marc Jacobs Contour Powder. As you can see, I love this product. I have hit pan, and I will be applying this where I used the Truffle Matchstick earlier. For blush, I'm dipping into my custom MAC blush palette and using the shade Peachtwist and just dabbing that over the top where we put the Nudestix earlier. And for powder highlighter, I'm using the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics highlighter palette and I'm dipping into both Glimmer and Glow. I'll quickly fill in my eyebrows. They are in need of a groom, so we won't go in depth here. Let's move on to the eyes, where I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I will first dip into the shade Rustic, which is a matte, medium brown shade, and apply this all over my eyelid and in the crease, as well as my lower lash line. Now taking the Soap & Glory Smoulder Kohl, however any smudgy black liner you have will work for this. I'm going to line my upper lash line and create a very small wing, after which I will take a small angled liner brush to smudge it out and perfect the wing point as well. I'm going to use the same pencil on both my tight line and waterline. Then taking a little bit more of Rustic on a pencil brush, I'm going to lightly smudge the edge of the liner a little bit more. Going in with a lighter eyeshadow, I'm going to apply Burnt Orange all over my mobile lid. Then taking a touch of a deeper brown, I'm going to use the shade Cyprus Umber to further define the outer part of my lid. Then taking a little bit of Glistening, which is a light golden shimmer, and I'm going to apply that onto my inner corners. Moving on to lips, to achieve a red-orange shade, I'm going to first line my lips with the Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner in the shade Fireball. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using a new product from Bobbi Brown. This is their Crushed Oil Infused Gloss in the shade Hot Streak. To prep my lashes for falsies, I'm going to go in with a thin coat of the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I would recommend wiping off the excess of this mascara before applying it, as the large brush can hold a lot of product. For lashes, I will be applying the Model Rock lashes in the style number 266. I particularly love how invisible and thin the lash band is on this style. And finally, to set everything in place, I will be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I tried a few new techniques which I am actually loving the effect of, so you guys might see it used again and again in future tutorials. Be sure to subscribe so you know when I do upload new videos. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram as well at Zahrah Aliyah, and if you're based in Sydney and you're ever looking for a makeup artist, I also have my Instagram handle at Makeup by Zahrah Aliyah, where I post all of my client work, so you guys can go check out my work there, and if you have a special occasion coming up, definitely reach out to me. Other than that, I hope you guys have a lovely day, week, weekend, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!